Welcome to the Rebeltech channel. Today we'll be changing the hard drive and doing servicing on this Xbox One. This is the first generation Xbox One. This belongs to my nephew. So without further ado, so we're not gonna be wasting time. I'm gonna be disassembling this Xbox. By the way, outdoor is quite warm. The weather is a bitch. It's quite hot, so this is for content. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll try my best to make sure that I have everything, all my tools here, Okay, without further ado, let's do this. Okay, it's been years since I disassembled the Xbox One, especially. You can check out my previous video. I did the Xbox One S. Okay, just make sure you can see the dust. Should have brought my mask. Okay, you wouldn't have to push this, slide it out. Pretty straightforward. Again, you can see dust. You can see the dust. Appreciate you guys for subscribing to this video, supporting this video on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Here, let me find a sweet spot to pry this open, because these are basically all clips. But just make sure you don't break the clips. As usual, sometimes it will go your way, sometimes it doesn't. So you have to be very patient. This used to be mine, so I give it to my nephew, because I don't have time to play games anymore. Oh, no wonder. So I need to, because I stick a decal here back then, so I would have to remove this. So this is the Xbox One first generation. It's still usable in 2023. Okay, slowly. Make sure you don't rip the keyboard. Okay, it's out. Okay, that's the top case. So I would have to clean it up just a bit. Okay, Wi-Fi. Try the screws that you would have to unscrew first before you get to the bottom. And I try to make sure that I remember where is where. If I remember correctly, few years back, I've already replaced thermal paste on this. Not on video. The one that I did was the Xbox One S. This is the Xbox One. What we're gonna be doing is just replacing the drive. Since I recall, I did this I think 2 years back. So more or less the thermal paste is still fine. This has just a dead drive, so I do wanna go, guys. Sorry, the weather is quite hot. That's why I wanna cut this short. That's the drive. Okay, pull this. Okay, would have to unscrew. So I have a normal drive. I'm not gonna be using an SSD because my nephew just used this for minor gaming like Grand Theft Auto and watching Netflix, Disney Plus, watching movies. Probably gonna be just dusting this fan off. Other than that, no, I'm not gonna be taking this apart because our devices turned off by itself just now because the weather here is quite hot. Okay, that's a dead drive, 500GB thick drive, so I'm gonna be using the 500GB thick drive. Not too shabby. Really, I'm sweating here. I appreciate this kind of weather for now because the past week has been raining, so I had to postpone this shoot because I still want to film this outdoor. Okay, this is just the first part, so I would have to go back and I would have to download the firmware to have this Xbox recognize the new drive. It's the same as my previous video, the Xbox One S. You can refer to that. What I'm gonna be showing you guys is just how to replace a dead drive on the Xbox One. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Okay. You can see the dust. Shit, I brought my mask. I didn't bring my mask. Yes. Okay, we're gonna be closing the cover. In one of our devices got too hot that it just shut down. That's how bad the weather is right now. So stay tuned to the channel because I'll be uploading a lot of AI related stuff. It's gonna take a while. And I'll do a lot of guide throughs so you guys can learn as well. Yeah, what the Okay, another reason why I didn't want to take out and change the thermal paste, take out the motherboard and change the thermal paste, because I'm sweating, so I don't want my sweat to drop on the motherboard. This is, to me, an adventure. It's a thrill. Okay, I'm gonna be tilting my head this way because I'm sweating. That's about it. Just very straightforward, very easy. Check. Oh. I'm gonna move my head further away from the Xbox One. So I'm scared my sweat will drop. I need this width. Okay, the most hardest part is this part. To put back the cable, you would have to be very careful. Once again, try to show you more, but I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's okay. And I got it in. Alright guys, that's about it. You have to like just clip this back, push this thing back here, and you're done. I'm sweating guys. Whew. Kinda like regret doing this outdoor during this time. Should have done this at night, but there you go, the Xbox One. How to replace the hard drive. So I'm gonna be ending this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. More videos. Do not forget to also listen to my Spotify podcast. It's available on YouTube podcast as well. So on my channel you can actually watch and listen to my podcasts. Alright, it'll be a different thing than the main long form videos that I dish out, that I upload. Alright,